Happy New Year of 2024 guys. It's my first trade of the year. As usual, I look at the economic calendar to time an entry. I will use one of my favorite asset, Euro USD, and sell 0.05 lot as I usually do in starting my hedging process. I have chosen a sell position because the current price is at the previous high. Market movers oftentimes grab liquidity at the highs or at the lows, then immediately reverse the price. Next, I make a buy stop order as a hedge that is 3 times the lot size of my sell order. To know more on how I simply trade with my hedging technique, check my hedging rules, link in the description. US data will be released in seconds. Now, I modify my take profit to 40 pips or just a little over 40 pips. Now, watch the price action. Checking at the 4-hour chart. See how they grab liquidity at the previous high and quickly reverse to the downside. Price is almost touching my take profit already. But it starts to reverse to the upside once again. It happens, but I'm gonna stick to my plan and wait. Meanwhile, let's see the economic calendar about the numbers. And back to the chart. Let's find out what happens next with this trade call. Now, getting back to check the price again. As you can see, my trade is still in the money. I just need to wait where the price goes. Waiting is the name of the game. Again, checking the trade. This time, take profit is finally hit in just 30 minutes since the trade was opened. Just a little profit to start the year 2024. Yet, with my consistent hedging technique, I can book a net profit every time all my positions are closed. That is how I gradually and consistently grow my account. Just look at the previous videos here in my channel. Thanks, see you on my next trade.